This episode will be quite short because this week I focused mostly on reading about JavaScript and finishing and testing RecipeBox app. The two books that I've been reading this week. The first one is Eloquent JavaScript. This is available at eloquentjavascript.net and it's available there for free. When you look in the contents, you can notice that there are some basic parts like functions, values, types, or how to deal with bugs and error handling. However, revising them after writing some time in JavaScript, it is helpful because you see the things a bit differently than you said for the first time when you read about functions or about objects for the first time. So it's worth doing, really. The book has also exercises, so at the end of the chapters you will find small exercises with the console to practice what you've read, to practice the theory. The second book that I started reading this week, and I chose parts of it, is Speaking JavaScript. Speaking JavaScript is available at speakingjs.com. I will put the link to this book in the video description below. When you look at the table of contents, again, you have a quick start with JavaScript where you have basic JavaScript issues like syntax, where to put semicolons, how to put the comments. There's something really basic, really, but later you go to more complex chapters like JavaScript in depth. Right now I'm choosing the chapters from it that I'm reading. On my reading list there's also You Don't Know JS, so You Don't Know JavaScript, and this is a series that's also for free on GitHub. I got interested in this series listening to FreeCodeCamp's New Year's Eve live stream. JavaScript 30 with WesBoss is also for free, and it consists of 30 challenges that should be implemented in vanilla JavaScript. I will look into them and choose some to implement. So next week I'm going to connect this JavaScript 30 with reading the books. This is how the recipe box has changed this week. Finally, I pushed it to the live server. It's at the one who does /recipe box. During testing, it turned out that I have to change a bit the storage logic. The reason for this change was that my previous storage logic took everything what the user had in the storage. So for example, on Chrome there was no problem, but on Safari and some other browsers, there were things in the storage that were from previous apps, from previous actions the user took. So I had to change a bit the storage logic. It works right now correctly, and it remembers just only the issues connected with recipe box. I also added the formatting in ingredients and instructions. So in ingredients, each enter causes a new line to create an impression of the list that's unordered, of course. In the instructions, each new enter gives a new paragraph, so it's also formatted. In my opinion, it looks better right now because it's more natural. The way a user introduces ingredients is usually one below the other. And also when a user hits enter in such a long text as instructions, they get the new paragraph. The new thing from this week is also the favicon. It's quite simple, but still better than the default that was before here. One more thing that was also corrected this week is that during the addition mode, these labels and these things were overlapping. Right now they are not, so it's fixed, and I'm happy because of that. Generally, this week in this app was a lot about testing, introducing some small style changes, fixing some small bug issues, and this is how it looks when you have more recipes. On mobile it looks like that, there's one below the other, and this is the look on tablet size. Of course, as always, there could be more improvements in it and the iterations. However, version 1 is finished. Unfortunately, in version 1, I didn't introduce the image resizing to prevent the situation when there's not enough storage for the images. I wasn't able to do it right now. Maybe in the next version it would be better to connect it to the database and to make this image resizing on the server side. Not sure right now, I'm not able to do it. This project turned out to be quite complex. I'm happy that it's done, that the first version is ready to go. Keep on doing, revise a lot, read a lot, and code even more. See you next week.